Breaking Barriers Kit at Birkbeck is here to help you all make the most of your unique skills and develop new ones, from orientation through to graduation and beyond. We are all unique, not only in the way we look, but also in the way we think and learn. Some people think in images, some in words, some are scientific, others are artistic, or a combination of all of these. Sometimes this includes conditions like dyslexia, dyspraxia, or ADHD. If your lectures and seminars deliver information in a way that doesn't make sense to you, it can be difficult and frustrating. But what if there were skills and strategies that you can develop to improve your learning? You could learn to transform your reading using text-to-speech software, use mind mapping software to plan your writing, or improve your proofreading by using technology to read it aloud to you. So how can Breaking Barriers Kit help you? Step 1. Attend any or all of the study skills workshops. Specifically, Breaking Barriers Kit workshops can help you to personalise your learning and find strategies that you can tailor to your own style, whilst other workshops can help you to improve skills like writing style or critical thinking. Check the Study Skills homepage for more details. Step 2. Then you could arrange a one-to-one tutorial with a learning development tutor who can give you advice to develop your skills even further. If you are interested in learning more about dyslexia, you can get an initial free dyslexia screening using our LADS software in the library. Breaking Barriers Kit can help you to find the best path for your studies and beyond.